Mass customization. Mass customization, in marketing, manufacturing, call centers, and management, is the use of flexible computer-aided manufacturing systems to produce custom output. Such systems combine the low unit costs of mass production processes with the flexibility of individual customization. It is one of the product design strategies and is currently used with both techniques, delay differentiation and modular design, together with effective innovative climate to enhance the value delivered to customers. In reference to technological products, the following statement of Piyush Mathur, 2017, is illuminating here. Mass customization is the method of effectively postponing the task of differentiating a product for a specific customer until the latest possible point in the supply network. Camus, Kafaris and Stern, 2008, conducted experiments to test the impacts of mass customization when postponed to the stage of retail, online shopping. They found that users perceive greater usefulness and enjoyment with a mass customization interface versus a more typical shopping interface, particularly in a task of moderate complexity. From collaborative engineering perspective, mass customization can be viewed as collaborative efforts between customers and manufacturers, who have different sets of priorities and need to jointly search for solutions that best match customers' individual specific needs with manufacturers' customization capabilities. The concept of mass customization is attributed to Stan Davis in Future Perfect and was defined by Tsing and Zhao, 2001, p. 685, as producing goods and services to meet individual customers' needs with near mass production efficiency. Kaplan and Henlein, 2006, concurred, calling it a strategy that creates value by some form of company-customer interaction at the fabrication and assembly stage of the operations level to create customized products with production cost and monetary price similar to those of mass-produced products. Similarly, McCarthy, 2004, p. 348, halved Xterra, no target, Sitterif McCarthy 2004, help, highlights that mass customization involves balancing operational drivers by defining it as the capability to manufacture a relatively high volume of product options for a relatively large market, or collection of niche markets, that demands customization, without trade-offs in cost, delivery and quality. Implementation. Many implementations of mass customization are operational today, such as software-based product configurators that make it possible to add and/or change functionalities of a core product or to build fully custom enclosures from scratch. This degree of mass customization, however, has only seen limited adoption. If an enterprise's marketing department offers individual products, atomic market fragmentation, it doesn't often mean that a product is produced individually, but rather that similar variants of the same mass-produced item are available. Additionally, in a fashion context, existing technologies to predict clothing size from user input data have been shown to be not yet of high enough suitability for mass customization purposes. Companies that have succeeded with mass customization business models tend to supply purely electronic products. However, these are not true mass customizers in the original sense, since they do not offer an alternative to mass production of material goods. Variants. Pine, 1992, halved Xterra, no target, Sitterif Pine 1992, help, described 4 types of mass customization. He suggested a business model, the 8.5-figure path, a process going from invention to mass production to continuous improvement to mass customization and back to invention.